Here are some natural ways to deal with mucus, respiratory issues, if you have any type of allergies going on, histamine issues, you want to listen up. Number one is white pine needle. Not only does it have a lot of vitamin C, but it is also a good expectorant. You can get the white pine needles, make them into a tea. There's an elderberry elixir that I take that has the white pine needle in it. I'm also a huge fan of nettle. So nettle is something you can take if you have a runny nose, if you're having allergy-like symptoms, and you'll often find it in a supplement that's paired with quercetin. Also, if you're dealing with a really bad, persistent cough that won't go away, castor oil packs to the chest can be really, really helpful as well. Last but not least, take a look at this. Our indoor air quality absolutely matters when we're dealing with any type of respiratory issue or allergies. Y'all take a look at this filter that I have to change out. Look at all of that dust and nastiness on there. That is in our air, and if you are not filtering that out, you are breathing it in. This is what their clean filter looks like, and that's the one I'm about to put in there. This was the old one.